If you use Cursor AI and you want better answers that actually understand your project, one of the best things you can do is add documentation as context. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step, so Cursor can pull in the right information while you code. This is especially useful if you're working with internal docs, API references, setup guides, or any project documentation you want Cursor to understand. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor on your computer. Once you're inside the app, look for the gear icon, which is usually the settings area. Click that gear icon to open Cursor settings. This is where Cursor keeps all of its main configuration options, including indexing and documentation settings. If you've never been here before, don't worry. The layout is simple once you know where to look. Inside Settings, find the section called Indexing and Docs. This is the part of Cursor that controls what information the app can read and use as context. Click on Indexing and Docs and then go to Docs. This is where you can connect documentation sources that Cursor will use when generating responses or helping with code. Now, you'll see the option to add a document. To do that, simply add the link to the documentation you want Cursor to use. This could be a public documentation page, a knowledge base article, or another online resource that you want Cursor to reference. Paste the URL into the Add Doc field, then confirm or save it, depending on how Cursor presents the option in your version. Once the documentation link is added, Cursor will begin using that source as part of its context. That means when you ask questions, write code, or request help, Cursor can reference the doc you added and give answers that are more relevant to your specific project or workflow. This is a huge productivity boost because instead of manually explaining everything over and over, you can teach Cursor where the important information lives. A good tip here is to make sure the documentation link is accurate and up to date. If the source changes frequently, double check that Cursor is reading the correct version. It also helps to add documentation that is concise and well organized, because better documentation usually leads to better AI results. If your team has an internal docs site, this can be one of the most powerful ways to improve Cursor's usefulness. If you are managing multiple docs, take a moment to test how Cursor responds after adding them. Ask a simple question related to the documentation and see whether the answer reflects the source correctly. This helps you confirm that the context is working the way you want before you rely on it for larger tasks. And that's it. You've now added documentation to use as context in Cursor AI. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in the quality and accuracy of the responses you get. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Cursor tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.